My name is Bas and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert your SD card into your drone, which is DJI Avata FPV. So let's say you purchase this drone and you have the SD card and you want to insert it and you don't know where it is. So the location for this SD card on this drone it's on here. As you can see, you got a slot. It's for USB and micro SD. What you'll have to do, so you're gonna have to use your nails or anything sharper to open this slot here. Now you can see which goes two slots here, as you can see. So what you'll have to do, take your new SD card and just insert it here. So let's try to do it. It's a bit awkward with this drone. It's really weird that they put the slot for SD card literally just here. So let's try to do it. Okay, so as you see, I'll just manage to put the SD card here. Now all you have to do, just push it and push it a bit until you hear like click, and at this time you'll know that the SD card is safe inside. Now just close this cover like that. Make sure you hear a click again, and it's all done. Yeah, now you can use your drone. And yeah, thanks guys for watching, and if you enjoy my channel, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.